Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I like to show you how to use auto clicker on your Android device. So let's get started our video. First of all, open on your Play Store. Okay guys, after open your Play Store, then type auto clicker. Just search on auto clicker. After search on auto clicker, you get a lot of apps here, but you select this application. Look at this, look carefully. Just download this application. I download it before, so I don't need to download it now. Just download from here and then let's back. After let's back, then open your auto clicker. Okay, after open your auto clicker, then you need to settings it carefully. Watch carefully. Just tap on now OK, and then after that you go here, your settings option. Just tap on this more download service option. Tap this, and then on the down you get auto clicker option. Tap on this, and then now enable it, and then you should tap OK. After that everything is finished. Now let's back, and now enable it, and then you get this, and then tap settings, and here everything is okay. Then save it. Okay, then let's back. I will show you how to use this. Open your Facebook, and then go to friend, and then look at this. If you want to add friend without on click, with on click, so just tap on this plus button, and then you get this option. If you tap again, then you get another one, but I don't need this now, so delete on, just make it on, and this pointer is make here, and now tap on this play button. Look at this, it's auto working. Let's back, and tap here, make sure it's here, and then tap again play button. Look at this, it's auto clicking work. So in this way you can play, or you can use this auto clicker very easily to add friend or confirm friend, all friend request. And if you want to stop it, just tap again. Now it's off. And if you again want to, then tap this play button. It's working auto. Look at that. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.